Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So as in this video I'm going to show you how to fix too many codes sent. Enter the last code you received or try again later. So as if you are trying to log in your Apple ID in your iPhone and you are unable to receive a verification code and you are unable to sign in or log in your Apple ID in your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So I first of all go back to your home screen, and from here you have to force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I force restart the device, and after this check if the problem has been fixed, and if you are still facing this problem then go for the other solution. That is, you have to take out your SIM from your iPhone and then you have to insert your SIM again in your device. So as after this check if the problem is fixed, and if it is not fixed then go for the other solution. That is, you have to open settings in your device and from here tap on general, tap on about and check if there is any update for your career settings. So if there is any update available for your career updates, simply update it, and after this go back and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device as well. So guys, after this go back and from here scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings in your device from here, and after this go back, tap on VPN management and from here turn on the VPN if there is any connected. After this tap on language and region, and from here tap on region and change the region according to your country whichever you are living right now. And after this go back and from here you have to scroll it below and tap on messages, and from here turn off the iMessages and turn it on again. And after this you have to make it sure that all the toggles are on from here, and after this go back and check if the problem has been fixed or if you are receiving the codes or not. So if you are still facing this problem then you have to simply contact the Apple support team and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.